Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So here in the previous part we have successfully tracked our shot and I have also undistorted our footage in 3D equalizer. If you want you can check it here. Now you can see, and also I have exported these camera data for Maya. So please watch my previous part before this. So but here if you want to export your tracking data for Maya, then simply click on 3D E4, then export project, click on Maya, then from here you can select your folder, then this is start frame. So according to your sequence you have to type, then type it at 0, then simply press OK. But here I have exported our camera data. Now today we are going to see how we can export these undistorted plate from 3D equalizer to Maya, and also how we can import these camera data in Maya. So now here in Maya, first just check your scene frame rate. So just I have tracked our shot on 24 fps. So if you have any doubt, just check in 3D equalizer. Now you can see here on 24 fps I have tracked this shot. So just I am going to define here file scene option. So from here just we have to select 24 fps. This is important. Just create a new one, don't save. Even downside here you can also define 24 fps. Now just I am going to import our .ml file, which is I have created from 3D equalizer. Then so this file just I have created from 3D equalizer. Select and just drag and drop here. Then click on panels, just switch, so you can switch easily. This one our top one, so easily you can see like this. So this is our grid and this is our points here. Maybe just second camera. Now just first save as our scene, file, save scene as, just give a name, then save as. Now just little bit just define our timeline here. So 94 frames here. So just timeline duration 94 frames. Now you can see, then click on window, outliner, then you can see, and these are our camera and this is our point group. So select and just let it assign in our locators, select color. Now easily you can see. Now here if you will see your footage or just a little bit of point is not just placed on your marker here. Easily you can see here, because little bit important things here. Here you are seeing this footage is distorted footage, but in 3D equalizer I have undistorted footage. Now you can see here I have undistorted footage here. You can see that's why it's placed on our points here. Now just little bit come in our Maya. So just simply click in our first top here. So easily you can see here these points. Now but here if you will check in 3D equalizer, this is placed perfect. Okay, easily you can see both points, but here in Maya it's not showing. Okay, because this is distorted plates here. So what we have to do, we have to export undistorted plate from 3D equalizer, and again we have to reconnect this plate or this footage in Maya. So now see how we can do. Now here in 3D equalizer, first we have to export undistorted plate from here. So just I am going to export this one, top one here, then run wrap here, then click on preview here. Now you can see, so this is our undistorted plate here. Now just I am going to export this plate. Now here just check this one here, then simply just click on render here. It will place your undistorted footage in same footage folder. Now here same as second camera, so just you can select and just you can render. Now just again come in Maya here. So just little bit here in Maya. So now again I am going to just little bit replace this footage here. So select our top camera here. So I have selected this one. Then just attribute editors. Then image plane shape. Then from here just select and just replace with our undistorted plate. Now you can see name dewrapped mean undistorted plate. So select this one and just open here. And again this is important, click on use image sequence. Now here you can see our point is just same as in our 3D equalizer. Now easily you can see all points or just these locators are placed on our perfect marker points or same as in our 3D equalizer. So if you want you can just check. So now here just on frame 40, because in Maya just I am in frame 40, so easily you can see like this. So like this, both are same. Now again just check on our second camera here. So just switch on our second camera. So now here just I am going to select our second camera, this one. Then same options, just change second one here. So you can see table side dewrapped. Then click on open here. Then click on use image sequence. Again this is most important things. Now here you can see all locators or points just placed on our marker points as in 3D equalizer. Now if you want you can compare. Now you can compare. Okay. So till here I have successfully relinked our undistorted plate in Maya. So just till here save our project here. Now after the just I am going to import some model here. Then click on file. Then click on import. Then select your model or folder. So here Hulk model. Then click on import. So before importing, if you want you can orient your scene in Maya. Okay. Now just switch top grid here. Then select this one, up arrow, W, V, just snap this model onto this point. Now a little bit scale, rotate. Now a little bit play and check here. I think this is looking good. Now just save our project, Control S. Now just check our second camera here or just top one, then click on panel. Then just simply select table top one here. Now you can see, I think on both camera this is looking good. Now just play and check here. So I minimize this one. Maybe just let it come in our side view again. So from here you can see, just play and check here finally. I think this is looking good. So this is looking good. Our model just placed on our both camera here. So easily you can see. Just stop it here. So till here we have placed our 3D model in our scene. Remaining thing you can adjust according to your scene and footage. So if you like this video, please watch, share, comments and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel.